Imagine yourself being surrounded by nature and simultaneously be in your workplace. Imagine being able to clear your mind while you gaze at the horizon and protect your ideas under the shade of trees, or just take a breath of fresh air surrounded by birds and the sky. Allow us to introduce TecnoParque, a place where cultures unite and connect, where work and freedom are synonymous, a place where you access your office and at the same time bond with your community, with yourself, with nature, and with your team. A place where sports, recreation, and work converge in the same location. TecnoParque is the venue where hard work and celebration unite. A site bursting with vegetation in every corner and at the heart of each building. TecnoParque is the place where ideas flow freely during every walk and every race. Therefore, it could be said that the happiness of thousands of people and the great performance of at least a dozen different companies in Mexico are partly due to a small oasis in the heart of Mexico City, known as TecnoParque.